Well, go on, everyone. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to the Wake and Bake. Welcome, everyone. Much love from Jamaica. Blessings to everyone tuning in, stopping by, showing love, whatever. Just blessed to be here and have another day with you guys. Today is the Wake and Bake. Yesterday I missed out on a full day of streaming or even being on stream. I was doing some stuff and not feeling 100, so just did what I needed to do for the day. So I'm here, Wake and Bake, ready to chill with you guys, start off the morning properly and start off the steady vibing at the place. So morning everyone. I see T-Man in the chat. Bless up T-Man in the place. Let me see who else there. We got Tim S420, Dr. Wiggler, Dutch Grove 420. Bless up, bless up. Yeah, let me mute that. Scores. By the way, where is Melty? Melty is more likely streaming right now. Melty always putting in work. Yeah, about to roll up and we just start off the day. You're very much welcome, Dr. Wiggle, and thank you guys for being here. Just here, hold a steady meds. But nothing's permanent in life. All except for change. And now I know, now I know, now I know. Now I know, now I know, now I know. Now I know, now I know, now I know. Now I know. The weather is like 81. It's 81 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Mostly cloudy. So we're having a bright sunny day. We've been having some sunny days, cool days, but sunny. Don't mind, my plants are loving it outside. Here warming up some tobacco. What is that? I just want to get. You know, second people just got a message. Life, people, life. It's Rob and Nia. Much love in the place, Rob and Nia. First time seeing you guys. Bless up from Jamaica. We're just taking a voice message, I should say. Cigarette cause black lung cancer and the marijuana me adore. Mr. Hellfire in the place, bless up my brother. And we got Robin Nia from Houston, bless up, bless up. We got Dr. Wiggler from Michigan. And Tim S from Vegas. Bless up from Jamaica to everyone. Never boy. Cigarette cause black lung cancer. Are the marijuana we adore? I just wanna get high. Cigarette cause black lung cancer, and the marijuana me adore. Double double double, swing double. So she didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son. She said the light doesn't run up the stairs and come. And if it don't come, we cannot run among that sun. So I took a bunch of clothes and I started to run. And you got Dutch Girl here. Dutch Girl, Michigan. It's 9:20. Yes, 9:26. We're basically on the same time zone, Dutch Girl. I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad. I'm broader than Broadway. When you go to Volcano, it's like a stage show. You have man that swing DJ and go. Pull it down in 20, swing. I'm the intercom, she tell me to come. She didn't have a thought, that she didn't have a time. She said the lift doesn't run up the stairs and come. And if you don't jump, we still gonna see your son. So I got a bunch of flows and I started to run. Rock down, oh. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. But I don't want your baby to come. Time me down, I can't see you are old. And now you're young. You smile, I'm young. Yes, I wanna have some fun. Run me down. Whoa, sweet. Exercise, 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 then slice away. Extra broad, extra broad, extra broader than Broadway. Hey. Cause I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Over the ocean and over the sea, all of the girls, them are both for we. Why should I little see? I'm not into camera, the devil to come. So she didn't have a daughter, she didn't have a son. She said the lift doesn't work, run up the stairs and come. Cause if you don't come, you're not gonna see your son. So I grab a bunch of roses and I started to run. I can't. 2 months later, she said, come and get your son. Cause I don't want your baby to come find me down that cross you are old. And I am young, yes, while I'm young, yes, I wanna have I'm broad, I'm broader than Broadway. Bless up lit tea in the place. Hey, vexation of spirit is a waste of time.
Negative thinking, don't you waste your time. Verbal conflict is a waste of words. Physical conflict is a waste of flesh. People will always be who they want. That's what really makes the world go round. Unconditional love is scarce.
And forevermore, forevermore. Bless up Piccolo in the place.
Get precious life to me.
Where I give my life to you.
You've always been there for me. So I've been there for you.
Bless up Nitro Nomad in the place.
Just your eyes and play your days with them. Yeah, you rise on the morning when his kingdom come. Good deeds are remembered in the hearts of men. Bless your eyes and may your dreams come true. May you rise on the morning when your kingdom come. Good deeds are remembered in the hearts of men.
Then that is true. Wake and bake with the family is always great. Glad to have you guys here. Glad and blessed to see everyone. Everyone that's new, everyone stopping by. Blessings from Jamaica. And my spiff is rolled. Yes. So we're gonna start this wake and bake properly. First spliff of the day. So bless up everyone. And cheers. Yep. First spliff of the day, people.
You've always been good to me, even when I'm not good to myself. You've always been fair to me, even when I'm not fair to myself. You've always done right by me, so I will do right by you.
Oh.
You've always been there for me, Mama. So I'll be there for you, Papa. You've always been there to me, brother. So
Okay, we'll definitely check it out, Piccolo.
you've always affected me, and so I'll affect you.
Oxygen therapy, hydrogen peroxide, food grade, 35%, experience diet or life change.
You've always been there for me. You've always been good. You've always been good. You've always always did care for me. You always did share with me. You've always been true to me.
So I'll stay true to you. Alright, you can go ahead and try it, Piccolo. For me, when I want to detox the body, I go in the bush. There's some stuff here that we use to detox. I don't like the more natural it is for me, the better. That's my take on everything.
In this world of calamity, God is outside, God is on jealousy. And police will abuse them authority. Being a cloud when I know about variety.
Yo, the youngest veteran, I go murder them so ragamuffin. Hey. Oh, you got it. You got it. You got low. Oh, you had man in the video? Alright, I go check it out. I said, I have Cinco Bible, Cersei. All them things there. The hydrogen peroxide I use for like when I'm brushing my teeth to help remove stains and plaque and all of that stuff. But from the yeah, when it comes down to detox, I just go into the bushes. One thing you guys should look out for regarding detox and ensuring that your body is getting the natural vitamins is moringa. Check it out. Moringa is basically one of those natural sources of vitamins, iron, protein. It's a little nut. It comes from a tree. The leaves and the bark can be then again the leaves can be used for tea. These can be used for tea, and that's a good natural detoxing tea, relaxing tea, and everything. The nut has the source of protein and vitamins. It's really nice for you guys. I used it when I got the chicken gunya, and I've detoxed my body, brought it back to a better state than what it was. And trust me, moringa is a great thing to have.
Sacrilegious and blasphemous. In my lifetime, I look back as I would. Where savage fought, as the sword, prostitutes stomping out here, boots, bad screaming, young black children stop, I will shoot. I look back and cook back, touch cars and pass by. Jaguars, land flying, and I'm guilty for materialism. Black is still up in the prison, trust that. So save me your sorries. I'm raising the army, revolutionary warfare with Damian Marley. We sparking the irons, marching the Zion. You know how nice be NYC, state of mind. I'm
The power of plants. That is true. The power of plants, indeed, Mr. Hellfinger. When I got sick and everything, I basically went back to grandma days of getting the bush remedies, getting the stuff that I needed. I changed my diet completely. I rarely ate chicken. My diet was mostly vegetarian up to a point where I just switched over to the high protein since I was going to the gym, but it was like veggie chunks, greens, spinach, yam, dumplings, banana, all of those stuff.
Medication with Dr. Love. Don't let them get you like who them too good. Shall we be waiting there with your son? Shall we be waiting there? In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. And police may abuse them authority. Be their cause when I go about variety. Single parents will need some charity.
Is
Need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. Fire the jungle and the means and strategy. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. You said need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. Fire the plan and the means and the strategy. Hey, say, you got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, man.
And that is a great thing you're doing, changing your lifestyle. Sometimes you need to change up your lifestyle, your eating style, and ensure that you're taking care of your body. You're not getting younger. No one's getting younger. We are getting older, so we're supposed to be conscious of what we're putting in our bodies. For me, herb stimulates my appetite and regulates my body, so I'm good with eating and stuff. But I want to put stuff into my body that I feel energy from after eating. I don't want to be sleeping all the time.
Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright inside.
Oh, every morning I rise and stare at the sun.
I know it is a blessing, so when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can.
Best up to AJ in the place. Wagwan AJ, long time no see. Bless up to you, brother.
I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah. Lift up my eyes to live, I'm blessed, oh man. Ooh. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I find my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to the hills, I'm blessed, no man. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah. As far as I can. I can.
To school to Sasquatch. Come down to Jamaica. Yo, in all honesty, anyone that needs to come to Jamaica to warm up, please do. I'm not a fan of the snow myself, extreme colds. So guess what? Jamaica, nice and warm for you.
With my two hands in the air as far as I can. As far as I can. I can, yeah. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. The time of just war.
All I know is that I'm here today, I'm healthy, and I use medical cannabis when I'm technical.
I achieved complete clinical remission from the cannabis alone, and I would rather be illegally alive than legally dead.
This child needs cannabis.
I'd take a hit and the pain would disappear. It was instant. I mean, instant.
I've always looked at cannabis as being medicine.
People say you get high.
You don't get high, you get medicated.
I'd like to see it so that people aren't criminalized over something that's medicinal.
So God gave them time, we should all be able to use it. It's real medicine.
Medication gets me high. AJ, if you move to Jamaica, well, you got enough places you can perform music. But one thing, I love the fact that I don't see snow. And that's true. Not everyone has the willpower to stop eating meat, Piccolo. For me, the diet change was something I had to make my mind up on because my body needed it. My body needed to get some stuff that I could build on, re-nurture my body in a sense. So now everybody can change from a meat diet to vegetarian. So take it in slow steps, but be conscious of what you're putting into your body. For me, I do eat meat these days, but don't fry or I use less oil in my stuff. Well, the missus would love the beaches, AJ. So come down to Jamaica for the beaches, the sun, the warmth, and the vibes. I know the whole of them are my shares. You should be a celebrity amongst any tree across the seven seas. For your energy, but you're an enemy. Getting felonies, of the remedies in the recipes. Your medication makes me high. Just a passion. Like a patient trying to find meditation. Run your fingers down the spine. Meditation. The medication makes me high. See how you feel splendid indeed. With a little bit of black splendid in the weed. A beer's grown indoors, not a stick nor seed. And she never posts like it was a real slow speed. No fertilizer, natural very defeat. No cross pollination, she's a real pure breed. But the lady is big love and she's not out for greed. She's everything I want and also all I need. Your medication makes me high. Just a passion. Like a patient trying to find meditation. Run your fingers down the spine. Meditation. The medication makes me high. Best up to everyone in the place, just showing love, being here with me with a skanking in the morning, wake and bake here in Jamaica. No stay down, no matter in pick it up. No matter with the down freestyle, should be up full vibe. The pick it up, and the bills, them the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah. But the challenge when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah, like the past trip to
up the music, starting sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rap with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, starting sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rap with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah.
West up the Midwest Outlaw in the place.
For every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make us sing together. And who say like no other? And every man got this struggle. I'm making it help me, Lord. And let me overcome my troubles. Getting sweet.
I do wanna feel irate, yeah.
Forget the troubles and the rock with me. You know feel already music sweet, yeah. Starting sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rock with me. You know feel already music sweet, yeah. Starting sweet. We can't get till the morning glow. Until the day when my troubles are gone. Hallelujah. We're grooving in our job. We're grooving our troubles away. See, everybody wanna feel. The troubles and the rock we rockin'. You know feel already music sweet. Sweet, yeah. Everybody wanna feel like real. And that is troubles in the right way. You know feel already music sweet. Sweet, there was God can money one room and breathe. But the devil can't around with me. God can feel already groovy.
And right now I'm basically burning on some sour diesel. Somebody came through and say, Randy, test this out. Got some sour diesel for you. It's burning good. They are going meds on it.
I wanna be skanking. Wanna be skanking. Wanna be skanking.
Yes, it is nice being able to test out weed for people and just getting that good quality strain. Yeah, man, that going well. And seeing that Jamaica produce some good kush, who can happier than me?
We love the children of Africa.
Speaking of trim, I want to see if I can get some trim as well. If I can say, oh, boom, when I bring up my pound or two, just bring up a pound or two of trim for me. It's really cheap. Trim is really cheap here. So not a lot of people want it and know the purpose of it. So yeah, man, if we get some trim, I can see if I can make some hash, some rosin. By the way, remember guys, the bamboo chalice site and all of that stuff. I want to get some money in so I can get a mini rosin press. I want to start getting those oils. I got that can of butter already. Yeah, I'm high. Mixing up words. Oh yeah, man. Best up to everyone in the place. Just there, go on easy back. Best of Hazard Smurf.
They never told us that black is beautiful. If you behave on a go on like you never spent 500 years on a farm. The same chain you appear and a go on is another black life in Sierra Leone. Boy, you find out from a earth black golden. You might know from a earth black golden. You work out just to get a black yard, same yard, you swipe right up your black golden. Hold on, I see no faces long, but this is not a racist song. This is a song for the children who was never told about where their race is from. They never hear it in their favorite song. Everybody calm and say babies come. Whatever one when the babies come. Start read all things like Joe Guns, Black Carrot and Push, Black Kings, Black Senate and Books. But each book with a mix and put give significance to the physical looks. So every word but we sing black. In my word everything black. Black, white, black, right, black. So don't be surprised if we say the king black. Cause
They never told us.
that black is beautiful. They never told us. Black is beautiful. They never told us. That black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black. Oh no. Preacher is preaching, good God, things that he preaches. I wonder who taught him to preach. Teacher is teaching, where did he get his degree? Now it is no mystery. Who taught us black history? Jesus.
Can of butter and morning glory muffins. Bless. That sounds really nice. I got brownies. I got can of butter in the fridge. So when it comes down to it, I can have my cannabis filled breakfast in the morning. Make some toast and spread out the butter on it. I make some flitters, some fritters. Smells opening all night. Our spine. Okay. I'll try doing some nutritional loading this morning. Vegan shake, coconut based yogurt, flax chai and seeds, bone meal and cannabis infused juice blended with ice. Very nice indeed, Lit. Very nice indeed. Backside, that sounds shut. Like the yogurt, that alone got me. That alone got me. Been all night. I'm not a Twitter person. I tried Twitter back in the day. Never got it, so I left off of Twitter. Instagram is my thing. I like doing Instagram. Maybe one day, if one of you guys teach me how to use Twitter, I'll definitely try it. It's not milk coconut stuff from Sprouts in States. It's thick like milkshake. Nice. Speaking of the milk, sorry I forgot that song. Well, speaking of coconut milk, I'm thinking of using it as an alternative regarding my vegan friends. I have vegan friends, so that as a chef or somewhat cook, I tend to like to adhere to the different needs and wants out there. So the coconut, yes, that's the best way to have that alternative milk-based thing, non-dairy. So with that, you can make actual ice cream milkshakes, extracting the milk of the coconut. And the milk is not the water that you drain out. No, that's just the juice. The milk comes from basically the pulp. So your hardened coconuts, the more browner ones with the thicker shells. What we do here in Jamaica, we basically get those, remove the water, crack it, remove it would be the meat or the pulp of the coconut, whatever you want to call it. You basically scrape that out, grater it, blend it, and you can extract the juice from it, and it's a great alternative from dairy-based milk. Along with almonds, yeah, once you just extract the juices from it, they have natural juices that can be substituted for milk, and it's great and healthy. So back to the song as I roll up my spliff. Bless up Judas Seeds in the place. Bless up family. Much love. Been showing great love on Instagram. I'm glad that you're here. We're just talking about some healthy lifestyle stuff. Anything that you guys want to talk about is more than welcome here. Once it's respectful. Oh yeah, just talking about the coconut milk. Great substitution for dairy-based stuff. Yes, fresh coconut meat. To me, one of the best parts of the coconut. I'll literally start like when I was younger. My granddad usually in the morning before church, oxing out the coconut, taking out the coconut meat and grating it for the Sunday dinner. So just juicing the milk so we can add it to the rice. But every time I was like, Granddad, can I get peace? And I would just start eating on the coconut. But yes, great source of alternative milk. Chlorophyll drops. No, I'm not familiar with that. Let's see. You know what? I have to play over that song yet. I touched on a vibe. My life.
In all my days, the joy of my heart is to give Rastafari I pray. That's all I pray. I'm not burning is that playing. I chatting Rastafari. Mighty Jah, you make all good things possible. See, alone I call when my heart is in trouble. People of my soul.
Bless up to you, Hazard Smurf. Have a great day, my brother. Glad to have you here and glad to have everyone here in chat and viewing, showing love. Bless up to everyone. And the spliff has been rolled. So another one, people, more ganja. Cheers. It's to give us a for I pray. Coconut all caps. Nice. Let's T says I'd love to learn to use more coconut meat in my food. I've been on cocoa oil caps for a few years after I heard about MCTs and how they help cholesterol. Fix mine, by the way. Yes, the coconut milk, the coconut meat, I said, it's very nutritious. That extractions from it can help substitute a lot of stuff that you normally put in your food, and basically it helps to manage your diet. As I said, the juicing of the coconut meat and getting that milk, we call it coconut milk, that milk from it, adding it to your dishes helps cut down on your cholesterol. For real, keep you healthy. Take it from a Jamaican who live on it, coconut milk. Yeah, man, every Sunday, add it to the dish and we're good to go. Bless up to yourself, Judah Seeds. Glad to have you here. And the tea, we all have to go back to that nutritious life, and at the end of the day, need to take care of our bodies. And best up to the chief, real chief in other place. Much love, my brother.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
And I said, smoking on some sour diesel. Got some that basically Connect came through, wanted me to test the sample, and it's kicking good.
Come around like Horace on the beach with a few club service, bedtime stories, and pose like them named Chuck Norris. I don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals and no buckle. The thugs them with the way them got to. I won't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot to, unless you carry guns and not to. Or dear tough in tomato when trench town man stop love and lock up traffic.
The chalice is down somewhere. I haven't retired it, but easing off of the chalice, doing more work, so don't want my head lift off too much. And well, hopefully you can plant a tree where you're at the tea. I said coconut, even the oil. I don't even buy coconut oil. I said the coconut meat, put that in a hot pot and let it extract its own oil, fresh, rich coconut oil. In Jamaica, we do everything straight and organic. So straight coconut oil, and yes, good for lotions and a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna complain, chief. I can't handle it right now. I have too much stuff to do, and then I'm gonna take up the chalice and take one puff. I'm going to do afterwards. It's just laying on the bed and be like, yeah, man, I got reason.
And that's why I love little youth about some fatmatic with the extra magazine in a them man pocket and a preach at night time in a some black jacket. I do not lock drugs at them a lock rocket. Them a full of up.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Piccolo, your prices though. Lucky I'm in Jamaica. Either I know the farmer or I know somebody. Them prices though. Yeah, the oil is indeed pricey. When I went into the store, it's basically two times the normal price for like vegetable oil. So when get to make my own, I do it in bulk so I can have it stored up. It's indeed crazy. We're just talking about it. You pay $10 for a small container. Well, paying that $10 and making the oil yourself might be saving you a lot. A lot of people need to be doing it themselves, sweating in the kitchen, sweating a bit more, so you can get the best product. As I said, here in Jamaica, we make our own things. We just make sure, say, oh, we're getting it straight. It's not an easy road. Go and give you a 101 on how we extract coconut oil here in Jamaica. You see the brown coconuts, the ones with the hard shell, not the green ones that you cut and get the juice from. Those just have like the premature pulp before it gets hard. So you get those hard coconuts, crack it open if needs be, bore it, whatever you need to do to extract the juice. and get to the inside. Once you do that, you basically get a knife or get a utensil and scoop out the meat of the coconut. Once you have that, you cut it up in small pieces, not like you're dicing it perfectly, but you cut it up so it can have an even area to have enough heat penetrating it. Get a thick, warm pot, your thickest warm pot, your thickest pot, I should say. And you get it, and you put it on the stove. Turn on the heat. Let the pot warm up. Like you want it to be hot. So you get those coconut pieces and you just drop them in. And over time, yeah, it's gonna stick, but no worries, that's gonna happen. But over time, you're just gonna be stirring around, just stirring the coconut bits. Once you do that over time, you're gonna see like a oily substance being secreted from the coconut. That's your organic straight coconut oil. So you just do that from time to time. Once you see it charred and look like you can't extract no more, you just turn off your pot, let it cool down, and you strain it off, and you're good to go. Yes, and once you got that straight coconut oil, making your like cannabis capsules, your infusions, it's gonna be as Chief just said, pure. You're getting the purest extractions right there. Properly cured herb, properly extracted. Um, Coconut oil. You're gonna actually have a rich tasting capsule. So that's how we extract coconut oil here in Jamaica. I said extracting the milk from the coconut. You basically do the same. Cut the coconut shell, get the milk, but this time you're basically gratering it. Or if you have a food extractor, best thing. But you grate your coconut and you can put it in a blender with some water and you just blend it around and you strain it and extract all that coconut milk. Let's see, with making the coconut oil, no water needed. As said, cut your coconut up in bits, get a thick pot, get that on the stove, get it as hot as possible, and throw your coconuts in. Once I said it's charred to perfection, you basically extract from there, and as said, pure coconut oil. And Piccolo, yo, it's just funny how you just like get this train them come to your side you talk about it. It's an over. I grew up in a place. He's gonna live long indeed. By the way, what I was saying, like if you call somebody name or talking about someone and they show up, they're going to live long. And the ladies are doing well. I'm not starting any new trees, any new growth until the end of January. I wanna get the season right that when I start planting, I can get a full sunlight spectrum on them. The ending of January going into February, the light cycle or the day cycles tend to shift. So I get an extra hour or two. So until I put in the additional lighting, that's it for me. I have about three that are in flower right now. I got a purple skunk, seduction zone, and a Mr. Strain. Those three are in flower. And with that, once they're done, wait until the end of January, and I'm good to go. Let us put love to the test, baby, and let love lead the way. If we believe, showing our hearts, mind and soul, keep us together. You will never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do, so never mind. Two cats and a dwarf rabbit. Lol. I actually want a rabbit, like two rabbits, and let them mate and have more rabbits. Get some rich manure from them. And sadly, when they grow or expand in population, I'll be jerking rabbits. I'm sorry, it's a necessary sacrifice. I want rabbits for the fact that they're really great with their manure. Your friends said proceed with care, but you didn't feel the realness in me. Our love is meant to be. Our friends said that you're not sincere. Your friends said proceed with care. You see and feel the realness in me. Love is meant to be. You'll never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You'll never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind the time of mine. Baby, I'm for you. You for me. It's meant to be. And that is true, Piccolo. Their manure is really well to deal with. When I was living in Kingston, there was this rabbit farm near us. I just went and got bags full of manure, dried that, and just had manure for days, for months. Things that people say that I'll never hurt you, you never find no one in this lifetime. So no mind, the time was right, baby. Yeah, the rabbit manure doesn't burn the plants. They're not high in ammonia because what I learned in biology class, they're basically nitrogen filters. Their poo has more nitrogen than most. It's second to guano, but yeah. Rabbit manure is great for your plants. And Chief, I'm not full Rasta where I don't eat meat. I believe in their spiritual belief. But yeah, man, if a rabbit I forget nyam, it I go get nyam. A million more nights I can sleep without you.
Alright, as every day, me say me want to have me life. Come in now, want to make you feel no dead by the side. I beg you apply, so when I be crying, girl, the words you call me out, you want me feelings can't hide them. Remember when you say you need me all day, make love from the room to in at the hallway, girl. Me no really want to learn the hard way. Me no afraid to say please, girl, stay. One more night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, girl. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you.
Well, you can try 1 year without meat. Maybe one day I'll join you with that piccolo, but for now, I'm sorry, they could meet in my life. I need to be gaining some pounds. Need to be putting on some needed muscle. Alright. I'm gonna explain Rasta for Litty. Yes, Rastas do not eat meat. Based on their belief, they basically are more natural and more vegan than most religious customs or some religious customs. With that, the rest of the belief is in the naturalism of this earth. They believe in love, unity, everything has a soul, everything is connected, so they don't eat meat. Fish, some maybe, but down to non-dairy stuff, true Rastas just eat from what they grow. They don't. I know some that don't even eat cheese, drink cow's milk. It's coconut milk, almond milk, as vegan as it gets. So that's the Rasta concept that Chief brings across when he mentioned the no meat thing. As said, I believe in their culture. Don't have my dreads, but I believe in the Rasta unity, soul, and everything. But yeah, they don't eat meat. They're more of a natural set of individuals. Let me get more ganja.
More night, give me just one more night. Girl, one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, girl. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you. Please give me one more night. Yeah, give me just one more night. Me need you one more night, 'cause I can't live without you. One more night, give me one more night, yeah. A million more nights, 'cause I can't sleep without you. Alright, as every day me say me want to have a life. Come in now, walk away, you feel no dead by the side. I beg you apply.
Yes, bald head dread Randy. Don't have to dread to be Rasta. Just have to believe in the cause and everything about it. Eventually, I'll make the step over. Who knows? But for now, I'm gonna give up my meat. Yeah, I can show some bud. Hopefully this shows. Yeah, this is the bud right here. Yeah, I got it all broken up. That is gonna focus, but yeah, good quality herb from Jamaica.
King of kings and Lord of lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. Through the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, God.
As a fallen today.
Help me, God, I pray. No one speak anyway. It's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. I look around the world today, oh God, and you will see. Pharisees and backbiters, taking up in vanity. But I know you control my destiny, and from you all blessings flow. From yesterday, even today, and tomorrow, it's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today.
You know what? I'm gonna hit the chalice since boost me. Since Chief really wants me hit the chalice.
My heart is willing, my flesh is weak. Still, oh God, I seek to walk your way, the holy way. I pray my soul is free. Though my enemies encamp at me, I know I will stand forevermore under your banner and always in your hand. It's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Lord, I need your way. It's me again, God, as I fall on my knees today. Help me, God, I pray. Preserve my soul today. Glory, hallelujah. Bless my soul, oh God. Oh, Most High God. Say glory be to the Most High God. Follow me, baby. The King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. Worthy to be praised.
By the way, to those that are supposed to get their chalices on the way, I got the stuff cleared up. And yeah, it was just some stuff at Jamaican Customs. Basically, I'm going through a learning groove with sending off stuff. But with that, chalices are supposed to be arriving. So I'm going to go and get a Christmas present from Jamaica. Alright, now I'm going to blaze on the chalice here. By the way, I broke my mouthpiece, so found a replacement. Longer replacement. Let me get my mesh. Go ahead and load the chalice. Welcome the rest of you.
I am your start with me. So just for Selassie, I am it. Here comes trouble, here comes the breaker. Welcome the savior, welcome the Rasta. You love the access. I did a natural issue in the morning. The people them a ball, say them tired of me zero. People are go fall when we try to 90 over. Believing from down, cause them like no easy over. Even one time said it's not an easy road.
I sent it to the Bermuda address, Piccolo. And best up to everyone. And if I go and lay down, it's all your fault, Chief. It's all your fault.
Here comes the danger, sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. I'm on a start recruit, soldiers, listen, I see I army fight. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger, welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You're not for oxygen, I did a general issue in a warning code, waving the banner red, green and gold. It is such a honor for season four. It's covered on stones, on trees and straw. And even in the stories that Jesus told. Rasta youth must inherit the earth. Can't sit down,
Wow.
some of you word. Bring the fire in a room, that are some of the purge.
Chalice really ablaze. Soldiers coming from near and far, my.
Execute. Till I see I work, so you lost the father. True. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta. I start recruit. Soldiers, listen, I see I army. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta. You're not for oxygen. I did general issue in a warning. Left or right, the soldiers are come. Left, right, the soldiers are come. So they never know we don't know. Yeah.
Chalice it.
Left, right, the soldiers are come. Left, right, the soldiers are come. Left, marching on, boy. On the side.
Here comes trouble, my friend. And here comes danger.
Here comes trouble, my friend.
Yes, you better take the blame, Chief. That Chalice it might put me down.
Here comes trouble, here comes the danger, here comes trouble. Booa, 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 here comes trouble, here comes the danger, sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta.
You ever see it saying on the behavior? Carry on for please. Sorry, anybody can't control you, and that's why you always bring the pussy to me. Yeah.
Not how. Okay. Change it up. No offense, people. Me not go play too heavy of a dancehall track on my live stream.
El amor entiende lo que nadie puede entender. Quiero mantener siempre. Enséñame incondicionalmente.
First of January, said you're starting over. Your heart's been in remission, making a new beginning. And it's been 6 months since you got sober, making a new position to make a better decision. When your hands on the console, forget what you went for. Just as soon as you said hello, hello, you never see it coming. And the next thing you know, unconditional love, unconditional love. She ain't looking for no danger.
No, yesterday when I was MIA Litty, I was basically doing work. These days, I'm basically pushing edibles, herb, a lot of stuff. Even my mom got to taste one of my brownies and loved it. So I got a lot of stuff on my plate. So I'm gonna make sure that I do my wake and bake. So at least I'll stream a day. But when I'm MIA, I got stuff doing. If I'm not well, trust me, there's gonna be an Instagram post indicating that I'm not well. Don't expect to see me. And ensure that you guys know that I'm still alive and kicking. Trust me, that is true, Piccolo. The pure sativas do well here in Jamaica. A lot of people have the patience to grow them, but once they grow them well, yeah, you have a fire strain. And thank you very much for that, Litty. I'm good. Just here trying to get everything on the go, balance out life, get the chalices up, get the sales up, whatever I'm doing now, get that running. The year is almost ending, so I need to get everything on track. Coming 2018, I'm gonna be on a new, different level. Gonna have to be looking at land, gonna have to be looking where I can get income, do some stuff so I can start the process of basically owning my own grow company here in Jamaica. So that's the aim. 2018, hustle hard to get that green. When I mean green, I want to grow some ganja. Got an acre of land that I need to develop on. Need to set up the road, accessible parking area, all of that bull. Thank God I got surveying guys on my team, so that's gonna be done. All from that overall construction setup, getting the license, it's just gonna be a time consuming process and money consuming process. But not gonna lie, I gonna enjoy it, and once I'm done, can get to grow some strains here in Jamaica, fully establish the lamb's bread and many other strains that I can get from the States if anyone sends me. And another ganja. More ganja people.
Now Mother Nature said to the three little birds, singing a song, convincing me it was so. Now I'm on my way, anyone come to see me this day, tell them I'll be gone for the day.
Cheers, everyone.
Waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh, yeah. I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. Oh, yeah. I've heard about this tale long time ago, but never have the faith to believe in my soul. Yeah. Now Mother Nature sent to me three little birds, singing a song, saying it was so. Now I'm on my way. Anyone come to see me this day, tell them I'll be gone for the day. Waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. One day, I'll be down by the river, singing songs of joy on this lovely day. On this lovely day, singing songs of joy. There are lots of signs in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your heads, my brothers, be conscious, my sisters, and by your works you shall surely be paid. Never can miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, the one who sits high and it looks so low. And if you ever miss the man with the anger, the one who's got the tiger, then you'll be someone that he don't know. Say a prayer and chant a psalm, prayer thinking the evil come. You don't have to go to church to be a Christian to find your name. Shout out the name of Phobia in the valley. Shout out the name of Phobia on the hills. Shout out the name of Phobia on the
Well, everyone, it was a blast having a wake and bake with you guys. It's 10:46 here in Jamaica. I got some stuff to do. I got to meet up with some people. I'll be definitely doing another live stream later on in the day, maybe at a different location. So bless up and much love to everyone. Bless us from Jamaica. Have a great day. Have a great morning. Much love from Randy Gaston. Much love worldwide. And the latest people, much love. Peace.